A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine at your home. Students, today we will start the new chapter of A Pact with the Sun, that is the friendly mongoose. Okay, so let's start the chapter now. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son, and they loved him very much. We must have a pet. And they thought one day that we must have a pet. The farmer said to his wife one day, "When our son grows up," they said, "when our son grows up, he will need a companion. He will need a companion to play with. This pet will be our son's companion, and if we pet this, then it will be our son's companion." His wife liked the idea, and his wife also liked that idea. One evening the farmer brought him a tiny mongoose. Okay, one evening the farmer brought him a tiny mongoose, and it's a baby mongoose, and said his wife, "But will soon be fully grown." Said his wife, "But will soon be fully grown." Now it's a baby mongoose, and after some time it will soon be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son, and it will become a friend to our son. Okay. Next is, both the baby and the mongoose grew. Both the baby also grew, and the mongoose also grew. And in 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size. And within 5 or 6 months, the baby mongoose had grown to its full size. A lovely animal, and it is a lovely animal with two shining black eyes and a bushy tail. उसकी जो shining black eyes थी and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle. Cradle means a bed for a child. Okay, the farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, so sleeping and crying alternately. But still the farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. One day the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. One day the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. She also fed the baby and rocked him to sleep also. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, when she picks the basket, she said to her husband, "I am off to the bazaar. I have to go to the market. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Please take care of the child and keep an eye on him. And look after that baby very much. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose." She frankly said that, "Oh, I don't want to leave my child alone. I don't want to leave my child alone with the mongoose, because it will be harmful for our baby." "You need not be afraid," said the farmer. But the farmer said, "You need not be afraid. तुम्हें डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. The mongoose is a friendly animal. The mongoose is a friendly animal. It's as sweet as our baby, and they are the best of friends, you know. And you know very well that it's as sweet. वो इतना ही sweet है as our baby, and they both are best friends." The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, the farmer has no work to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his fields not far away. So he decided to go outside the home and take a look at his fields which are not far away from his home. He ran into some friends on the way back, and he also stayed for some time with his friends on the way back, and did not return for quite some time. For a little time he stayed with his friends that were on the way back, and he has not returned in time. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. And after some time the farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back with a basket full of groceries. Groceries, the daily needs the daily needs which she had to need at her home, she saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waited for her. She saw the mongoose when she came back from the market. She saw the mongoose sitting outside the house as if he waited for her, as if like the mongoose is waited for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as was customary. When the mongoose saw her, he ran to welcome her as was customary. As usual, he did this when she came back from anywhere. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed, "Blood!" she cried. When the farmer's wife looked at the mongoose and she screamed, "Blood! Blood!" she cried loudly. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. Why she cried? Because the face and paws of the mongoose were covered with blood. "You wicked animal, you have killed my baby," she screamed hysterically. And after seeing the blood on her face and paws, the mother thought that he had killed his baby, and she said, "You wicked animal." She screamed hysterically. Because she has no control over his anger. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries. She was blind with rage and with all his strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood-smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. Because she was blind, बहुत गुस्से में थी वो, and his full strength, he brought down the heavy basket of groceries on the blood-smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. And after that, he brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood-smeared mongoose. She ran inside to the home and go near the child's cradle. The baby was fast asleep, and when she saw her baby, then she was fast asleep. But on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. But after seeing a black snake which was torn and bleeding, in a flash she realized what had happened. After seeing a black snake which was torn and bleeding, she realized what had happened in the house. The mongoose had saved his child's life. She ran out looking for the mongoose, and after thinking all these things which had flashed in his life, and she ran out looking for the mongoose. But oh, what had happened to the mongoose? "You saved my child," and she said, "You took care of my child, you saved my child with that bloody snake, and you killed the snake, and what I thought about you, that you have killed my baby. So after, in my rage, I have killed you with a basket full of groceries brought down by me, and I did not think that you have not killed my baby, that the black snake which had killed my baby, and in confusion to that, I have killed you," she cried, touching the mongoose, and who lay dead and still. And she cried after touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still, unaware of her sobbing, unaware of her crying. The farmer's wife, who had acted, because she had acted hastily, hurriedly and rashly, बहुत ही जल्दी में उसने ये डिसीजन लिया था. She took the decision very hurriedly and rashly, stared long at the dead mongoose, and after that what she had to do? She only stared long at the dead mongoose, because she did a wrong decision and she had killed that friendly mongoose, and she did not think about that she had killed someone whose blood smeared on his face and paws. And then she heard the baby crying. After that, the baby is crying. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed him. Wiping her tears, and she wiped her tears, and she went in to feed him. Okay, so what do you understand by this story? You should not take any type of decision in a hastily or rashly manner. Okay, you should think first, and after that you will find a conclusion that what had happened, and after think for a while, after think for few minutes, after that you have to take your decision that what you have to do in your life. If you did like the if you did the if you have taken the bad decision like her mother, then you have only feel bad further in your life. So you have to think more when you are taking a decision. Okay, a story from the Panchtantra. I hope you have understood the story. Okay, thank you.